This is NVRO. I'm going to show you how I know this is about to, well, it already is, but how it's going to continue to go down. And I'm going to capitalize off of it. It's trading at $122. Oh, 123. But you can see over here, it's trading today. And if you look right above it, you'll see a little red dot. That's a parabolic stop and reverse. And anytime that's on top of the actual chart, it means it's beginning a bearish pattern. You can see the history of that here. So it's on the top of these, you see how it goes down. And anytime it's on the bottom of the chart, it means it's in a bullish pattern, meaning it's going to go up. So you can see here it's on the top, and what does it do? It goes down. So here it began on the bottom, it went up, and this one right here is beginning on a downward pattern. So I never move off one indicator. I need at least two or three. So down here you have your RSI, which is continuing down, which is another bearish pattern. And I have my MACD here flattening out, which is probably hitting its way down here soon too. It's also Bollinger Bands are consolidating, meaning they're getting closer. There's these yellow lines. And that means that they're consolidating and that they're about to go up or down significantly in either direction. Anytime they consolidate, you can go back here, you can see that it goes up significantly after it consolidated. It consolidated a little bit here and then it went up. Well, now we have a bearish pattern with the consolidation. So I'm going to take advantage of that. So I am going to, and I realize part of this may not make sense, but I'm going to sell a call spread. And anytime when you want to call, if you buy a call, you mean you want it to go up. If you sell a call, you want it to go down. And I'm going to sell a call spread. So here are the prices here, and I would receive a credit for this. So it's $290 and $485. And that just means that they're giving me the money first. And to get out of it, I have to buy my way out of it. So if they give me $430, when I would get out of this, I want to buy my way out of it, but I want to give them less than they gave me. So if they gave me $430 and I buy my way out of it with $300, that means I made $130, the difference between the two. So that's the goal here. So if I just do one, and if I can get my mouse to move here, let me move that. All right. So that means my possible max loss is 550. My possible max profit is 450 as long as it stays below 124.50. And if I analyze that, it's right here. So I'm talking about this blue down here. Possible max loss 450. Possible max profit is 450 as long as it continues to go down. And you can see my dollars down here as long as it continues to go down. Just to up it a little bit, I'm going to try to do two of them. I'm trying to get two options for 550. That leaves me with a possible max loss of 1100 with a possible max profit of $900. Let's say, actually, let's go a little more. Let's say we had $2,000 to use. So $2,200 with a possible max profit of $1,800 as long as it stays below 124.50. I'm going to try to put that through. If it does not go through, I have to lower. Oh, it went through, so it doesn't even matter. So now we're on the hook for that. So possible max profit, and it adjusted a little bit. Possible max profit of max loss of $2,080. Possible max profit of $1,920. As long as it stays below my break even is 124, but as long as it stays below 120ish, I'll get that profit. And the way it's looking on this chart, it's looking like it's going to come down. So we'll check back in a few weeks to see what's going on. So here we are about a week later, and NVRO, like I thought, is trading at 116. You can see the chart here. It continued to come down like I thought, and I'm up 900 right now. So possible max profit of around $1,900. I never wait until then. I usually take 30 to 50% of the max profit. So I'm going to go ahead and close this one out. So it's worth around $900 now. So since this was I believe it was, it's a credit spread, I'm going to have to buy my way out of it. Because remember, in a credit spread, they give you the money first. So go ahead, right click, close. And Not sure what price I'll get for this, but you just put it in the middle, and it went through. So I closed that one out for profit, and we'll go ahead and move that to another stock here on my paper trading account.